YouTuber here from GETTools, here to show you how to install the package. Here's how we install it. We're going to start off by putting the 2 bolts on the interior, and we've provided stickers here. So you want to make sure the nuts land appropriately by making sure they land appropriately inside of there. And if this doesn't work for you on the second try, what's really simple is you take one of these, put it on like that, and it's simple. You insert it, untwist, now it stays in. With that being said, we provide these little stickers here, so you just undo the stickers, stick them inside of there. It will hold these appropriately in place, and they will not move during install. So you just stuff it in there, take one of these, make sure it's in there, stuff it in, and we are laughing. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a matter of it staying in the appropriate space. There we go. That being said, slide it in here, and we are good to go. Next step, after that is done, is to take your front piece, and you're going to use one of these 2 holes with the self-tapping screw, and that will provide the stability. These are self-tapping Phillips head. I'll take my driver. This has already been pre-drilled in my case, but it should go in fairly easily. Not too strong, just like that. And that's perfect. Following this, I'm going to take the other 2 nuts. You have the choice whether or not you want to use the stickers. And again, if you have the same issue, if you loosen it, it works even better. All right, next up. Now that that's complete, take this and go on the inside on the first one. You just want to hand tighten it first. Make sure they grab. And then with your finger on the back of this one, that'll make sure it grabs. Same thing. And then I do the 2-finger tighten, and then that's good to go. Same thing here. We'll go for a little bit. 2 fingers. That's perfect. Two-finger tighten, and it's good to go. The next part of the install is to grab the wheel. Use the longer bolt. Get that to go through. Super simple. Again, not too tight. Make sure it has a little bit of wiggle room on it. And then same thing up here. There we go. Again, nice and solid. And once it's engaged, go up, roll around nicely, and just keep in mind that when you go to release these, if the wheels are facing this way, the box will not sit flat. They require being faced that way. Now the box